A very heartbreaking news for ahgases or fans of the boy group Got7. Because earlier this day, their past agency JYP Entertainment has just confirmed that all the members has now left the company. This is the latest update since the news of Got7 members parting ways was released by Dispatch and other Korean media outlets. JYP Entertainment has released an official statement regarding the matter, stating that they had an in-depth discussion with the group ahead of the expiration of their contract on January 19th, which resulted in the company and the members mutually agreeing to not renew their contracts. They also expressed their support for the Got7 members, and promised that they will support each member wherever they go. Dispatch has reported earlier, where Got7 members are all headed. Young Jae was reportedly scouted by Sublime Artist Agency, which will support him as a solo artist. Jinyoung will be signing with actor agency, BH Entertainment. Jackson will continue with his own label, Team Wang, and another separate agency for his activities in Korea. Yoogyeom will be signing with hip-hop focused label, AOMG. Bam Bam will be signing with Makeup Entertainment, and will be focusing on activities both in Thailand and Korea. As for the others, it's still not clear, though Mark Tone has been reported to come back to the United States and make music from there. This is a very heartbreaking news for Got7 fans, because the truth of the matter is, they're now parting ways, and will not be a group anymore, but of course, they're going to stay in touch as friends and brothers. Mark Tone also stated yesterday, that no matter what happens, Got7 is forever, not as a physical group anymore, but spiritually, Got7 will always be in each of their fans' hearts. So what do you think about this heartbreaking news? Please let me know in the comments section.